Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I've got a via trading makeup lot that has 250 items in it. I'm going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside. All right, I'm going to give you the specs on this one. There's a sticker on the side that tells you exactly how much everything costs. And so I actually only bought one case, and so I paid the $387 for 250, which makes it out to $155 per unit. I actually didn't have to pay shipping on this because I ordered it the same time as I ordered some pallets from Via Trading, and what they did was they just threw it on top of a pallet and it shipped that way. So I didn't have to pay any extra cash for it. I mean, you can calculate the shipping in, but I'm going to open this up. It's all Revlon. And a lot of people are gated in health and beauty on Amazon, but you know, you're welcome to try to ungate yourself so that you can get some of these. But Via Trading also sells Maybelline, NYX, I'm trying to think of some of the CoverGirl. They also sell lots of other things too, like toys and such. But this is supposed to be basically shelf pulls or almost like master packs.
This is actually from the manufacturer.
It's direct from manufacturer, and so everything is in brand new condition. And so I've got my boxes over here. I'm gonna move this over. I got my boxes over here that I'm gonna kind of sort as I unbox. That way it'll make less work for me while I'm doing this process. So as you can see here, everything is wrapped. And so this is Almay, 2 pieces, Revlon Almay, and I'm going to show you kind of what's in these. And usually if it's boxed like this with 2, generally on the Amazon Marketplace, that's exactly how it's sold as a 2-pack. So these are Ultimate All-in-One Mascaras. So look at that, still sealed, barcode right there, so that's going to be helpful. And so I'm going to just kind of start sorting. We got mascara. This is contains 1 piece. It's hard for me to tell exactly. Oh, this is a lip gloss. So I'm going to find all the lip glosses. These are different lip glosses of various different colors. So since I know these are lip glosses, I'm just going to try to pull all of these out. This is a lipstick. So we'll put that in a separate one. The long ones. Okay, this is also a lipstick and it's sealed right here. And so these, sometimes you can send lipstick in and sometimes you can't. But it's almost like a chapstick lipstick. So we're going to put those in with the lip glosses here. Here is also another lipstick here. And then this is a lip glaze. So all the lip related stuff I'm going to put in the same one.
Where will you sell the majority of this?
Most of this, it's 250 items and almost everything is going to go on Amazon. This is regular lipstick as well. It comes in a 2-pack of the same color.
Show that again, would you?
So, and it shows the color. And so if you can't find it via the barcode, you could always look it up via the Revlon color number, because usually those are standard and they stay the same. So I'm going to put that over there with the lipsticks. This is another lip product, a lip glaze, just like the one I pulled out earlier, but it's in a 2-pack. And so I may find singles that I can combine into a 2-pack and sell as a 2-pack online if that's how the listing is made. So we'll go ahead and get all this. This is a mascara again, but this one's by itself. This one is, what's in this one? 2 pieces. This is a little, oh, this is a foundation stick. So it looks like that. It has the number on it.
Hold on 1 second. It's upside down.
Oops, sorry. There. So these are a 2-pack of a foundation stick. So we're going to put that in a separate box here. Then we've got like regular tools that you'd find in a health and beauty department. Here is a blush, mineral blush. So we'll put the tools there. Okay, more lipsticks. Put the blush way down here. Okay, this is a lip product. This is, ooh, what is this? Beauty tools. It's a 6-pack of these.
What is that, a tweezer?
No, this is for nails. It's basically lifting and filing. So you get the file on this side and then the clean under your nails. So it's a nail cleaner. So we'll put the tools on down there. More lip stuff. Here is a 2-pack of shadow softies. So these are eyeshadows: Peach Fuzz, Vintage Grape, Honeydew. That's like a green color. Look at that color. I don't know if you can see it through the bubble, but I don't want to take it out of the bubble wrap because it's got the barcode on the outside. So we're going to move, let me see, we're going to combine these lipsticks and we're going to put all the eyeshadows in one. Yeah, all the eyeshadows. Look at all the eyeshadows. So we've got Peach Fuzz, Cashmere. Here's a nice looking eyeshadow right here. It comes with a compact. And so we'll put that in with the eyeshadows. Here's another Tulle. Found some more
None
lip
of these
stuff.
have clearance tags on them.
No, oh, I hate taking clearance tags off stuff. So some more lip stuff. This is another foundation stick. Lip product. This is a little different. Let's see what it looks like. This is a Revlon Age-Defying Targeted Dark Spot Concealer Treatment. So it's a 2-pack of that.
Can you show that to me on that side there?
It's really hard to read the words.
There we go.
All right. So we'll put that one kind of, I'm going to set this to the side because it's a little bit of a different item. Okay, lip stuff. Lip stuff. Lots of these metallic-y ones. And they're all taped, so I will not be opening any of them. Here's another one of the nail tools. Okay, this looks like a compact set of blush. It's a 2-pack. So sometimes these will sell individually or as a 2-pack. And so I will probably bundle the colors together as best as I can. So if they're like 002 color, then I'll put that together with another 002. Here's some more gel mineral lip product, lipstick, shadows, Tulle. Here is, oh, this one's a lip balm. This one is a liquid eyeliner. So the liquid eyeliner we're going to set to the side there because it's different. Ooh, this is a big old box. What's in here? One of those compacts that we pulled out, but it's actually a 2-pack. So put that with the eyeshadow again. Where's the eyeshadow? Right there. All right. This one looks like a blush almost. Or nope, it's just a different color compact. So Revlon Almay. I didn't realize Almay was a part of Revlon. So
no, we said that we sell most of this on Amazon, but have you ever thought about selling on Poshmark?
yeah, I think I'm going to try to sell some of it on Poshmark just to see how well it goes. This is a brown crayon set for basically eyeliner
Coloring
or
your face.
coloring on your face. Yes, crayons are for coloring.
That's right.
Yes, coloring on your face.
It makes sense.
All right, here's another, this is a liquid eyeliner, but a different color. Let's see what's in this one. I'm trying to do my best not to rip the boxes so that we can keep them in nice condition. So more of the lip balm.
That's Revlon Kiss.
Revlon Kiss.
So you wear this to kiss.
Yes. Yes, you have
So
to
if you
kiss
put
someone.
The makeup on, you will be guaranteed to kiss.
Right. That's exactly how it works.
Okay.
Here's some more foundation sticks. Just like we saw earlier, just a different color. Let's see, where am I at for organization here? I don't know where I put my foundation sticks. All right, so lip stuff, lip products, some more lipsticks. Here is a big old pack of, what is this? This is,
What is that?
okay, nail polish.
Nail polish.
Okay, I do know that nail polish is considered a hazmat item, and so generally you can still sell it on Amazon, but they don't want it at the Amazon warehouse, and so you have to sell it merch fulfill, but this is definitely probably going to be a Poshmark sale for me. So I'm going to put about half of this on Amazon, and then the rest
Have you ever sold makeup on Poshmark?
I have never sold makeup on Poshmark. I'm super excited also to start adding some of the household items, which is brand new for Poshmark as well. So I have never done makeup on Poshmark. I'm really curious to see how well. Here's some more shadows, darker colors. I'm really curious to just see how well it goes. And can I get more money on Poshmark than on Amazon? Just because specifically it's a little bit more of a niche market Poshmark is. Here's another kit. Ooh, that comes in a little bag and everything. So here's some more. Let me see. This is face products. Almay face products. There's a lip thing. All right, let me get my box cutter and open up this bubble wrap because this, try not to cut the box. Almay face products. Oh, this is foundations. I've sold these before. It's an age-defying, basically, foundation. The biggest thing with this is you want to look all the way around. And I've had these before from another company where if you look in here and there's any kind of cracks, it means it's dried out. So you really can't sell it. And so you also want to look and see if there's any kind of expiration date. You wouldn't think of it, but makeup does have an expiration date. And so you just check on that and make sure there's no expiration date. Some do and some don't. So this is a foundation. We're going to put that there. So we've got some more blush compacts with eyeshadows. So I'm excited to see about that. I'm going to come on at the end of this video. We're going to do some scanning of the items and see. Here's some more of those compacts. And I'm going to see exactly how much I think I can make.
You want to scan now?
Yeah, I can. All right, so let's just look at this one here. So let me set it there and you can kind of get a good look at it. And then I'm going to scan the other one that was in the box.
Sometimes they do not pop up on the Amazon platform.
You'll have to look it up via the color number or title sometimes. So, all right, let me turn my internet on here and then we'll go with the scanning. All right, so I scanned, hold on. All right, so I scanned the barcode and I got Almay Intense Eye Color Evening Smoky Green is what that one is called. And I'm looking at the actual item and sure enough it says Smoky Green right there in the green color font. And so we're gonna just push this through and see is it even worth it to make money. Okay, so currently right now they're selling for $6.61. That's a low price. Looks like there's only 5 other FBAers on the listing. There's 19 total people, but they're selling it merchant fulfilled.
Amazon is not selling
Amazon is not selling it because it says none under Amazon. We're going to click and see how much fees are. So if I seller fulfilled it, which is merchant fulfilled, it's saying now how much did it say? I'm going to put in here cost of purchase was about $150 for me. And so that actually puts me at $4.58 if I sold it from home. Let's go to Amazon fulfilled.
You didn't fill in the shipping on that.
Oh yeah, I didn't fill in the shipping. Yeah. You're correct. So if I sell it Amazon fulfilled, I'm going to make, with my $150 taken off, I will make $2.17 of plus money. So that's actually pretty good because then I'm doubling.
You'll double your money plus.
Yeah, I'll make my $150 back and then make $217 on top of that.
Yeah.
So that gives me an idea. So yeah, it seems like not very much, but in the long run, it's actually worth it because I'm not only going to have 2 of these. I'm probably going to have 7 or 8. So I'm just creating one listing and then I just label them and send them all in at once. I'm not handling any of the shipping or any of that stuff, and so it's super.
So you paid $300 and what was it again?
I paid $387.50 for this whole box, and so if I just double my money, I'm gonna make basically all my money back plus an additional
$460. Yeah, you'll make probably
$400 extra.
Roughly around $400.
Yeah. So here's some more shadows, and things might be worth more. Like, let's go ahead and see.
They could be worth less too.
They can be worth less too.
The last time we purchased one of these boxes, some makeup sold right away, and others took how long, Heather?
Probably about 6 months.
Yeah.
So let me scan this shadow and we'll try to do another one. So this is the shadow that we're doing. It's got a good sales rank. of 200,000. This one's selling for less, and nobody has sent it into Amazon FBA before. So I may actually
Amazon is selling it.
Amazon is selling it for $8.38. So if I sent it in, I could potentially sell it for $7.99 and get it to sell for a lot more money.
You may struggle to do that because of how many FBAers are already on.
Yeah, there's already 8. Yeah. So those are what I'm probably going to do is go through, and if I have a lot of FBA competition, that one's going to go on Poshmark. Yeah. So then I can basically spend less money. So let's just get to the bottom of this box, and we'll kind of look and see what else we got left. A lot of lip products. You know, we've got so many of these ones. Let's go ahead and scan one of these because we got lots of lip products. And so there we go. All right, so this is the lip product that we're scanning. It's a 530 lip gloss. And then this one's actually selling pretty decent. Similar prices to the first one I scanned.
Ooh,
so look at the sales rank is 118,000, which is really good in health and beauty. And then if we Amazon fulfill it, 278. If I put my cost of purchase in of 150, we're then going to be at $1.28. So I double my money on that one. So that one might be, yeah, that one might be, if I want it to sell fast, I'll send it in Amazon. If I want to see if I can get more money out of it, I might sell it on Poshmark because the fees will be a smidge less. And so, that's just some options. So it looks like the rest of what's in here is going to be makeup, but we're going to go through and kind of guesstimate how much we're going to make. But I think, you know what, I think we don't even really have to go through it. I think we're going to double our money. I think I spent roughly a little less than 400. I'm going to make all of my money back plus an additional 400 and probably do that in the next 3 to 4 months. And so it won't take me long at all. I think this is probably an hour's worth of work, maybe an hour and a half at the most, depending on whether or not I create listings on Poshmark or if I just, the nice thing too is I can use a stock photo because I know the Revlon's going to be online. And so if I can find the exact match for a stock photo, I may do that. If not, it only takes a couple seconds to go ahead and take a snapshot myself. But everything is in brand new condition. No issues with that. And so that's what you can expect from a makeup lot from Via Trading. You can get various different brands, CoverGirl, Maybelline, NYX. This is specifically a Revlon one because they're worth a little bit more money than the other brands. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what's in a Via Trading lot. I'm going to double my money for sure.
Do you have a coupon code?
I also, yes, if you buy from Via Trading, I have a coupon code. Just follow the directions. I'll tag it at the end of this video. So hopefully it's been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.